Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? This camera doesn't want to hold, so I'm having a lot of issues, but if I could handle it with one hand, then I'll do it. I have to buy something else to make it stick, but so I'm sorry about that. So how are you guys doing? If you saw my vlog yesterday, you saw that I had bought a pair of like indoor shoes, like slippers from Skechers, and the left one fit fine and they're very comfortable, but the right one does not fit. It wouldn't go in. So I thought, well, I'm gonna have to return them. But then I figured out, I remembered that my husband and I have the same shoe size. Well, men and women have different shoe sizes. So, but at the end, they're the different numbers, but at the end it's the same size. So they fit perfectly, and so he's gonna keep them, and he's really happy because they're really comfortable. So he was very happy, and I'm happy because that means I don't have to return them. I hate returning stuff to the store. So this morning I woke up about the same time, but I was a little bit like lazy. I didn't feel like doing any makeup. I know I got some stuff yesterday from Chantecaille that I am really excited to use, but I'm getting another package today from Chantecaille. It's mostly skincare, but there's a couple of things that I want to try, like the rose oil and the rose water. I could use that with my makeup routine because I would like to do like a full face Chantecaille. So I'm gonna get that package today. I haven't received a notification yet from the mailbox, but I have received a notification from Chantecaille itself that it's out for delivery today. So I'm really, really happy for that. And I'm gonna go pick up the package after work like I normally do, and I'll open it at home. I'll open it with you guys and share that with you. And then tomorrow, if I have the time and the energy, because tomorrow I have a meeting at 10 at a client's office, and they're a little bit far away from the office, so I'm gonna have to leave home earlier. I don't think I'll have time tomorrow to do a full face, so I'll probably do a full face the day after tomorrow. But I want to do a full face with Chantecaille, completely full face, because I have the primer, I have the foundation, I have the powder, I have the mascara, I have eyeshadows, I have lipsticks. I don't have brow products or like lip liners or anything like that, but that's okay. I don't need it to do a full face. I barely ever do my eyebrows, like makeup wise. Sometimes I don't do anything with them. Something else I wanted to ask you guys, I would like to know your opinion. I would like to do like my favorites 2020 products, products that I have purchased in 2020 or that I've discovered in 2020. And I would like to do that, but there is a lot of categories and a lot of things. So I was thinking of breaking them down, and that's what I want to ask you guys. If you like to see that like broken down, like one day I could do like my favorite foundations and powders and primers one day, and then I could do another of my favorite skincare, and then another day I could do like my favorite lip products, etc. What do you guys think? If you prefer that, or if you just prefer everything in one shot. I'm leaning towards doing it separately, but then I would like to know what you guys think. If you want it separate, that way I could do a more thorough video, and it's not a really super long video either. So that's something I wanted to talk to you guys about. Another thing, as maybe you can tell, it is a gorgeous day today in South Florida. It is 58 degrees Fahrenheit. It's sunny. There's not one cloud in the sky. I was gonna open the sunscreen, but then I thought maybe like the wind noise would probably like cause interference with the video, and I don't want to make you guys uncomfortable. But it is a gorgeous day. I was gonna put on a sweater. I have it here in my car, like those really nice like jacket that I got in, I think it was my winter box from Boxycharm. Now it's called Curator, but back in the day it was called Boxycharm, the winter 2019. I think that, okay, I'm in the light, so I think I could let go of the camera. It's a beautiful, let me just show you the, like, it's like this really pretty color, like burgundy and black. Really nice, beautiful color. It's like a throw kind of thing, but it has like holes in where you can put your arms, and it does bring a belt, but I didn't bring the belt. It's just a sweater because I was thinking of putting it on. But it's such a beautiful weather. I'm like, I'm gonna take advantage of this because it's just gorgeous. I love it. It's like chilly, but I think it's perfect. It just puts me in a mood of going somewhere. I was telling my husband this morning, the weather is perfect, like just to go somewhere. And he's like where? Like walking on the river? And I know what he meant. The river in Savannah. In Savannah, Georgia. We love it. We love it there. I don't know if we're gonna go this year because things are kind of tough with COVID and everything. So let's see what happens. So that's what I want to talk to you guys today about. I don't have much makeup on today. Like I said, I was lazy. I just put on some powder, the Wonder Beauty foundation powder, which is like my go-to when I'm in a hurry, and a little bit of mascara, my L'Oreal Lash Princess, which is my go-to when I'm like, I just grab it and go. And I did a scrub this morning, my lip scrub, something I'm trying out for this month that might end up in my December favorites. Let's see. And then some lip oil I got in I think it was a Lear beauty box, I think. I'm supposed to get my fashion stuff box. I'm not sure when it's gonna come, but I'm supposed to get it this week, so that's something else I'm excited to share with you. See what else I wanted to talk to you about. I don't think I have anything like that, like major, like important, really important to share with you, just that. So I'm driving on my way to work. It's a little bit earlier than usual for me. It's 9:20. It's funny because I don't have really, people ask me, what time do you start? I'm like, I don't really have a time, and I've been blessed. I know one of my bosses might watch this video, or his wife watches my videos sometimes, so if you hear this, I have been very blessed to have the bosses that I have, because, you know, they have their you know, their thing like everybody does. I have my things too, my cons, but they've been very great with me. They're like my second, my office, like, we're like an office family. They're like my second family. Like, I'm really blessed and grateful that I have the bosses that I have. So why was I telling you this? Oh, because of the time. They've been very flexible and good with me with the time. I am not a morning person. If I have to wake up early to go somewhere, I'll do it. Like on Saturday I had to be in the office at 9. We had a meeting at 9:12. We were supposed to start talking at 9:12, so I got there like at 8:45. I got there on time. If I have to be somewhere early, then I'll do it. But for me to wake up every morning to be at work at 9, almost impossible. I've done it before. I've been at work at 9. I've been at work at 8:45. But it's not something that I can do every day. I can't commit to every day just because of my health, because of different reasons. I can't commit to it. And they know it, and they allow it, and they don't mind it. I do work 40 hours plus every week because I do stay late, and that's another thing. I'm more like an afternoon night person, so if I have to work till 6, 7, 8, even 9, I don't mind, because that's where I'm most productive, in the afternoon. But so when I got married, I've been staying until 7 or 8, but I never stayed till 9, because I like to get home and be home when my husband gets there. It's just a thing that I like. Sometimes I get home, he's already there, but that's the exception. I usually get there before he does. So they've been very good with me with that, because that way I could get to work at whatever time I want. I don't have a schedule. Unless, like I said, like I have to be there if there's a client coming at a certain time, or there's a telephone conference, if there's a Zoom meeting, something that I have to be there at a certain time, then I will make myself go. You know, I'll try my best to be there, but I don't really have a time schedule, and I'm really grateful for that they're very flexible. They're very flexible with my time. Because of my condition that I've spoken before, sometimes I can't go to work, and sometimes it's like all of a sudden, like I'll be fine today, then tonight I'll get a fever, I get chills, and then tomorrow morning I can't go to work. Not only because it's uncomfortable and it hurts when I guess the infection, cellulitis, but also my mind is all fogged up. Like I can't think straight, I can't drive, I can't speak well. So what I do is stay home all day, and if I feel better, then I'll do some work from home. But most of the times, 100% of the times, the first day I can't do anything. I just have to stay laying down all day. So yeah, I don't want to get talking to that again, because I already spoke about my condition the other day. I'm gonna do a thorough video later on, because Nina, my friend at YouTube, she asked me to do a thorough video, and I want her to do it in both English and Spanish, because I have both English and Spanish viewers, and they won't understand everything I say in English. So I might do, like in the same video, do like half of it in English and half of it in Spanish, or maybe Spanglish, I don't know. But I do want to get into it, because if my viewers ask me for something, then I'll try my best to do it, you know, so you guys could know about that condition, and if you know anybody that has it, how to help them and how to understand them, and not be asking imprudent, is that the word, imprudent? Preguntas imprudente, that's how you say it in English, like questions that are out of touch, you know. And that way, you know, you don't have to ask and be embarrassed, or embarrass them, or make them feel bad. So yeah, I'm getting close to work now. I'm gonna log off for now. It was nice chatting with you. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I feel more comfortable talking in the car than talking in my house. Because if I'm with somebody, if I know there's somebody in the house, I feel like a little bit embarrassed. I don't know, like I feel here more comfortable, because I know people are looking at me when I'm driving like, what is this girl doing? but I don't care because whatever. But oh, this car has a beautiful color. Let me see if I can do it without the girl so you can see it. Isn't that a pretty color? I like it. And I gave my location away. It's all right. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. So like I said, I'm getting to work. This corner is really, I gotta be careful because there's like 4 intersections, 4 different directions. Anyways, I'm getting close to work. I'm gonna let you guys go for now. It's nice chatting with you, and I won't be able to enjoy this beautiful weather because I'm gonna be indoors all day. Once I come out again, it's already nighttime. I'm gonna go by the post office. I keep on saying the post office, the mailbox, because it's UPS. It's not the United States Postal Service. It's a UPS store. I'm gonna go pick up my package or packages. I don't know if I'm gonna get more than one. And then when I get home, I'll open it with you guys and share it with you. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello again, welcome back. So I'm home already and I got a package today and I want to share with you. I was expecting a package from Chantecaille and I've opened it. I haven't looked inside, but I have opened it, and this is what it looks like inside. This is more of a skincare stuff that I ordered. You get the same card as before. Everything is really like individually wrapped and everything's all tied together so they won't spoil on the way. So I ordered the rose, geranium, and basil hand sanitizer. I'm gonna take it all out and then I'll smell them. This is the rose in my face oil and the pure rose water. These are the like the smaller sizes, the travel size. This is the Biolifting Travel collection. So this is like a travel set, and it comes with like a travel bag and with like sample sizes of different products. They're expensive, so like I said before, I wanted to try them first before buying the full size. It's a pretty box, and it brings the stress repair concentrate, the Biolifting Mask, the Biolifting Serum, and the Biolifting Cream. It does tell you that it's our top selling wrinkle fighting skincare secrets in miniature, ideal for travel, trying, or gifting. The stress repair concentrate is a newly formulated eye cream with a botanical combination of white flowers including hawthorn and Arabian jasmine. Targets the appearance of dark circles and visibly lifts the eyelid to leave eyes looking brighter, smoother, and more radiant. The Biolifting Mask uses an anti-wrinkle hexapeptide to soften the appearance of expression line. Can be worn overnight as an intensive treatment. The Biolifting Serum is infused with the botanicals and the newest lifting peptides to visibly plump, hydrate, and soothe the skin. The deeply nourishing Biolifting Cream is rich in 5 extraordinary plant stem cells that hydrate and target visible signs of aging. So excited to try it. And it comes in a beautiful, really cute travel bag, and everything's individually wrapped. I really appreciate that about them. So this is the stress repair concentrate, and this is the Biolifting Serum. This is the Biolifting Mask, and the cream. Yeah, the Biolifting Cream. And I didn't show you the front of the case. It says Chantecaille. Really pretty, I like it. And then this other box must be the cleansing balm, the Chantecaille Rose and Mine cleansing balm. It all comes in this pretty packaging, pink roses. Let's smell it. It says it's a silky rose de mai infused cleansing balm that removes all traces of dirt, makeup, sunscreen, and more. Antioxidant rich rosehip and tamanu oils and soothing hydrating raspberry stem cells extract, purify, and replenish the skin, while plant-based phytic acid gently exfoliates and a hyaluronic acid blend boosts moisture. Gentle and nourishing, the balm leaves skin fresh, hydrated, and dewy. You can massage into skin and remove the face cloth or cotton ball. Oh, it's a beautiful packaging. I like it. It's like reminds me of the foundation. It's the same nice packaging. It's sealed, so I don't want to open it right now. Should I open it? Yeah, I'm gonna open it just to see what it smells like, because I'm not a huge fan of rose. Like, if it's really strong, I don't like it. But what I've noticed in their products is that it's not highly scented. There's a slightly scent of rose, which is perfect. It's nice. It smells really good. And then I've heard, this is what it looks like inside, like a yogurt. And then I've heard that you don't need a lot to remove your makeup. Really nice. And then let's see the rose oil. I believe this was actually the original size. I'm not sure. Very slight scented, and you only need like 2 or 3 drops. It has 4 luxurious rose oils and powerful plant actives that visibly rejuvenate smooth lines, brightens and firms the appearance of skin. You could use morning and night alone or under moisturizer. And then there is the pure rose water. This one is travel size. This I remember, I got it in travel size. So it says the rose de mai, grown in Grasse, France, is harvested by hand in the morning in the month of May. That's why it's called the Rose of May. The petals are distilled using artesian well water to produce Chantecaille pure rose water. This extract of the entire Rose de Mai is rich in antioxidants, helping skin gain a more youthful appearance. The aromatherapeutic qualities of pure rose water are a source of bliss and the ultimate natural treatment. Store in a cool place and protect from sun and artificial light. So I shouldn't keep it here. I have to keep it hidden from the light. Only contains rosa, centifola, flower water, butylene glycol, glycerin, chlorphenesin, and methylparaben. It smells really nice. Let me see. It smells nice, but like very fresh, and the sprayer was really good too. And then the antibacterial, it's rose, geranium, and basil hand sanitizer. It's good. It smells really nice. I love it. I love everything I got today. So now I could do full face Chantecaille, but not tonight because it's late and I'm tired. I'm gonna try these tomorrow maybe, or the day after tomorrow. I'm gonna try everything and let you guys know what I think of it. So this is all I have for tonight. I'm gonna go now and edit for tomorrow and go to bed early, you know, rest. I have a meeting tomorrow morning at work, so I don't know if I'll be able to do any makeup tomorrow in the morning. Let's see what I do tomorrow, but I'll definitely will have something for you guys. I have a few ideas that I want to take to now in Vlogcember that I hope you guys enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any questions or comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.